Are you struggling to design a stylish and functional living room-dining room combo? You're not alone. Combining these two spaces seamlessly can be quite a challenge, given that each area serves distinct purposes yet needs to feel unified. A well-thought-out approach is crucial to ensure that the transition between the living room and dining area is both aesthetically pleasing and practical. Open-concept spaces often require clever zoning to delineate different areas while maintaining flow. A popular tactic is to use area rugs. Placing a rug under the dining table can define that space, while a different, complementary rug in the living area can create a cozy atmosphere. Additionally, furniture placement plays a pivotal role. For instance, positioning a sofa to face the dining table can encourage interaction and make the space feel inviting. In this video, we'll explore these smart layout ideas and design tips in more detail, providing you with the inspiration and guidance needed to make the most of your open concept space. One of the easiest ways to create distinct zones in an open concept layout is by using area rugs. A well-placed rug under the dining table and another under the living room seating area helps visually define each space while maintaining a seamless flow. Choose complementary colors or patterns to create a harmonious look. Rugs serve more than just an aesthetic purpose. They can significantly impact the comfort and functionality of a space. In a living dining area, the right rugs can soften the ambience, reduce noise, and provide warmth underfoot. For instance, a plush, thick rug in the living area invites guests to relax and stay a while a more structured, flat weave rug under the dining table can withstand the wear and tear of mealtime activities. When selecting rugs, consider the scale of your furniture in relation to the rug size. Ideally, the rug should be large enough to accommodate furniture, with at least the front legs of chairs and sofas resting on it to create a unified look. In terms of colors, you might opt for a bold, statement rug to anchor a space or choose softer hues that blend with your existing decor. Patterns can also contribute to the energy of a room. Geometric designs can impart a modern edge, while floral patterns may evoke a softer, more traditional feel. Strategic furniture placement is a crucial element in designing a harmonious living-dining combination. When it comes to creating distinct areas within an open layout, positioning your sofa as a subtle divider can significantly enhance the flow and function of the space. This simple act can evoke a sense of separation between the living and dining areas without completely obstructing sightlines or interaction. In addition to a sofa, incorporating a console table behind it can serve multiple purposes. Not only does it help delineate the two areas, but it can also provide a convenient surface for decorative items, books, or even lighting. It allows for a more personalized touch while maintaining accessibility. Another option is utilizing a sideboard or buffet table situated between the living and dining spaces. This piece can act as an elegant boundary while offering additional storage for dining essentials or displaying decorative pieces that reflect your style. With careful selection and arrangement of furniture, you can create a balanced atmosphere where functionality meets aesthetic appeal, ensuring that each area feels purposeful and inviting. For a polished and unified look, stick to a cohesive color palette across both areas. A well-considered color scheme can greatly enhance the overall aesthetic of your space. Neutral tones, such as beiges, grays, and whites, provide a versatile backdrop that can elevate any decor style, making spaces feel more expansive and inviting. Soft pastels, like mint green, blush pink, or lavender, can add a touch of warmth and serenity, perfect for creating a calming environment. On the other hand, bold accents in jewel tones, such as emerald green or sapphire blue, can infuse energy and sophistication into the room, giving it a modern edge. When selecting your color palette, it's essential to ensure there's a consistent flow throughout your dining and living areas. This could mean using similar colors in both spaces, or having accent colors that appear in both areas, creating a seamless transition. For instance, coordinating your dining chairs with your living room pillows or artwork can effortlessly tie everything together. Consider incorporating various shades of your chosen colors to add depth and dimension. For example, using a light blue for your living room walls and a darker navy for the dining chairs can provide contrast while still feeling cohesive. Similarly, accessories like table runners, vases, or wall art can showcase your palette, reinforcing the overall theme and creating visual unity throughout your home. In smaller spaces, multifunctional furniture is a game changer that allows you to make the most of every square inch without sacrificing comfort or style. One great option is an extendable dining table, which can be compact for everyday use but easily expanded when entertaining guests. This versatility is perfect for studio apartments or small homes where space is limited. Another excellent choice is storage ottomans. These pieces serve dual purposes. They can act as footrests or extra seating when needed, but they also provide valuable hidden storage for blankets, books, or toys. Look for designs that open up easily yet are still sturdy enough to be used as a seat. You might also consider stylish benches that work well in both the dining area and the living room. A bench can be a design statement while providing additional seating during gatherings or family meals. When not in use, it can be pushed under a table or placed against a wall to maintain an open layout. Lighting plays a crucial role in defining spaces, significantly influencing mood and functionality. To create an inviting atmosphere, consider installing a statement chandelier or a set of stylish pendant lights directly over the dining table. This not only serves as a focal point that draws the eye but also ensures that the area is well lit for meals and gatherings, making it the perfect spot for family dinners or entertaining guests. Additionally, incorporating a variety of floor and table lamps in the living area can enhance the coziness of the space. Opt for lamps with warm-toned bulbs to create an inviting glow, or choose designs that complement your decor style, whether modern, rustic, or vintage. Layered lighting techniques, consisting of ambient, task, and accent lighting, add warmth and depth to your space, allowing for flexibility according to the time of day or desired atmosphere. For instance, use dimmers to adjust brightness levels and create different moods, from bright and energizing during the day to soft and relaxed in the evening. Don't forget to include decorative elements, such as lighted sconces or illuminated art pieces, which can further enrich your rooms and showcase your personal style. A clutter-free layout makes a world of difference in an open-concept home, enhancing both visual appeal and functionality. When designing your space, it's crucial to avoid bulky furniture that disrupts the flow and blocks sightlines. Instead, consider opting for sleek, space-saving designs that not only maximize your living area but also create an illusion of depth and openness. Incorporating multifunctional furniture like ottomans with hidden storage or coffee tables that can double as workspaces can help maintain that airy feel. Utilize light colors for walls and furnishings to reflect light, making the space feel even more expansive. Keeping pathways open ensures a smooth, effortless flow between the living and dining areas. This means positioning furniture thoughtfully, leaving ample space for movement, and allowing for comfortable conversations without feeling cramped. An open layout not only produces a welcoming atmosphere but also encourages social interaction and family gathering, enhancing the overall livability of your home. Finally, utilize decorative accents wisely. such as minimalistic art or strategically placed plants, to add character without overwhelming the space. Remember, simplicity is key in maintaining an open and airy environment. With the right design strategies, your living room-dining room combo can feel both functional and stylish. Which layout idea was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home decor inspiration. See you in the next video.